Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you what's inside my Hobonichi drawer pouch. Okay, so here is the Hobonichi drawer pouch. It's a really nice size, and it can actually fit your planner in here. So in my back pocket, I have the Hobonichi Weeks, and I use this off and on. I've used it as, a journal, creative projects list, on the go planner. It's been really functional. Like, I even use the notes back here to help plan for Go Wild, like all my outfits. It's just like nice and compact, and I really like it. So I need to use this more, especially in the summer, because I don't need to plan too much in my daily sheets after June, really. So this is really great. Inside the pouch, I like that there's two zippers, and this lace design has been pretty sturdy. I take it everywhere. I don't really baby it. I stick it in my larger Erin Condren organizer, which I'll do a video on that one day too. So I kind of keep everything with me, and these are like all my essentials, and I try not to stuff it too much so it doesn't get too like bulky, but this is sort of the essentials I need. And it's not really all my essentials because there's extra stuff in here, of course, right? So I'll go in the back here. There's like this little netting pocket. That's where I keep my Coffee Monsters co-stickers and this little Hobonichi photo album. I find this photo album is a great way to hold stickers. Of course, I have too many stickers for this one little album, but I don't want to get another one because it's going to be too bulky. So this is really cute. I really like this. And then also down here, I have these sticky notes that I use a lot, and these I got on Amazon. They were actually a pack of 4, and I used them as stocking stuffers for my mom and my daughter. But I like this color scheme is like my jam, so I like these. I use these a lot. And then these are like my longer pens. They don't really fit on the side, so I have this sort of lavender Tombow that I really like. So if I like a few Tombows, I'll usually put them on the bottom, but I've just kept it to this one right now. And then I have my gray Zig dot marker, and I use the gray dots a lot. So that's there. And then I don't think I have anything in here in the middle. Oh, I do. Go figure. I have some stickers, some dot stickers. Well, I didn't even know I had that in here. So yeah, I have stickers in here that I didn't even know I had. And then these are like little compartments you can put things in. Like you can put washi cutter in here. I should put the one I got from Go Wild from Live Love Posh. Like I put I have a Simply Gilded washi card, so I just have some washi here for when I'm on the go. There's another full pocket area here, but I try not to put paper stickers or anything here because I don't want it to get wrinkled because of the pens. So going through my pens, these are sort of this side is the decorative, so I have the Fudenosuke brush markers here. I've been trying to learn lettering on my own. I haven't had much time, but they had a set of 3 on Amazon, and it came with this one too. I don't know if you're Asian, you do there was a Chinese brush lettering you do where you write your name and stuff. I had to do that in school, so this is a good thing where you don't have to ink it all the time. I have a glue pen, Japanese glue pen from Aqua Pit. And I have this really cool slicer tool. It's ceramic to cut washi or whatnot. So it's nice on the go, especially for travel. I don't have to carry scissors. But I also have my favorite little Erin Condren little fold out scissors. Oh, what did I get? I think I got this at a warehouse sale. I don't know how much it was, but it was a good deal. So I have scissors if I need it. I have my fountain pen, my TWSBI in rose gold, which I love. I don't use it as often as I should, but it's really pretty. And let's see what else I have in here. I have another fountain pen I got over Christmas. This is a Pilot, a real kind of cheapy one. And I think I have a brown tone in here, but I'm not sure the color is exactly what I wanted. I wanted sort of an archival look. So that's that one. I had an extra Arch and Olive acrylograph. I think I just stuck it in here. So that's there. Then on this side is sort of the side that I use more. I have 2 mechanical pencils in here. Sometimes I do need a pencil for something. My uni pen, I like this. Sometimes it's too too thick to really write with for a long time, but I like this pen a lot. And then my Frixon, oops, these are the pastel colors erasable highlighters. I haven't put my other highlighters in here yet, but I've been using these a lot too before in my daily plans. The Frixon highlighters, and then I also have a white gel pen, Jelly Roll. So that's pretty much it. I really love this a lot. I think it's just so handy to take around, and I feel like you can open it and you can see everything. Like you see everything you need in here. So I'm able to put things back right away without a problem and just zip everything up. And I have my Hobonichi Weeks in here, and it's a really good size. I'm ready to go. And I just take my planner with it, and that's it. Thanks for watching.